My people, I am here again with a latest update from Abia State. Have you seen what is happening in Abia? If you have lived in Abia for a long time, you will understand what I'm about to say. Roads in Abia State used to be a complete disaster. I'm not even joking. I'm talking about deep potholes, flood-covered streets, and roads that could swallow your entire car. Even Keke riders were struggling that time. But guess what? Things are changing. Governor Alex Otti is not joking at all. If you enter Umauhia, just take a walk around. Bad roads are almost impossible to find anywhere in the town. From major streets to inner roads, everywhere is looking fresh and smooth. Now, that's not all. Oga Governor is not just focusing on the capital city. He has taken his focus down to the rural areas. He is now tackling rural areas too. Yes, farmers and traders, I know una don't suffer too much. Some of these local government areas had roads that made it impossible to move their goods from one place to another, especially during the rainy season. But finally, the government is listening. Look at this road now. This particular road is connecting Obingwa and Ukwa East local government area. A road that was a nightmare before, but now, as you all can see, work has started. You can already see the difference. No more jumping like a grasshopper inside the bus because of bad roads. Farmers will finally be able to transport their goods without wahala. This is what progress looks like, right? My people, how na see am now? Be honest, this is exactly the kind of development we've been waiting for in the entire southeast. This is a new Abia. We are tired of hearing excuses. Now we are seeing action. Let me know in the comment section, which road do you want the governor to fix next? Have you noticed any new road construction in your area? If you're in Enugu, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra, let me know in the comment section.